to play with the children, to speak with the women and the men, to see how they work, to just be. That's what I'd really like to do now that I'm in Bali.
Bali is like paradise. You'll never see someone on the street who doesn't smile at you.
Saksikan sunset di pantai, hilangkan suntukku, mandi di tepi lautan, hapuskan sumpahku, memandang gadismu menari, segarkan mataku.
Di tahun 70 ketika guide mulai ada, lalu turis masuk desa, kita melihat memang dorongan yang inisiatif kesadaran orang Bali kan senang menerima tamu.
Sesaku hadapi egonya, hidup di kota Jakarta yang penuh.
Keterbukaan orang Bali di sini kelihatan sekali zaman dulu ya. Bagaimana dia welcome kepada siapapun itu. Bahkan tidak memandang itu siapa dari mana, tidak meneliti sekali ini orang siapa dari mana gitu. Ini keterbukaan itu salah satu basic juga orang Bali itu betul-betul terbuka.
In a lot of the world, they don't go on vacations to learn anything. They go to get away from their normal lives, to get away from work, to get away from the stresses, and come here, get massages, party. That to them, is what they're looking for. Instead of realizing that there's so much more that the Balinese culture has to offer people, even in a vacation.
Pembelajaran dengan turis datang dan orang-orang dikunjungi itu kan mutual di sana. Si orang Balinya juga dapat sesuatu, orang luar itu juga yang datang itu juga dapat pembelajaran. Itu paling tidak experiencing culture-nya lah gitu.
It's essential for us to learn how to live sustainably, to how to learn to live with nature in a way that's in harmony, instead of using nature as a commodity, which is how it is in the West.
Turis yang kalau sekarang kita long term, panjang tinggal itu, hampir semuanya peneliti.
Dia tuh menipu saya. Dia menipu saya karena dia bilang pakai dokumen, ternyata dia bikin film dan menjatuhkan nama baik saya.
Ya orang tiang nggak mesoting gitu, tiang orangnya. Orang seandainya wayan ngali turis, nyoman mang gitu. Tiang orang mang, yang penting kan tiang abu pipis. Artinya tiang mang tuh sing ngali tamu cewek, ngali pipis, nyawang alat, masker, bangun gitu. Jukung yang melangun ke karma.
Di Bali harga diri itu lebih penting daripada uang.
Selama dia bermain di kerak telur putih itu, aman-aman saja kok gitu loh sebetulnya. Tetapi ketika Anda mencoba-coba ke wilayah yang agak jauh ke dalam, itu pasti konflik dengan orang Bali.
Here, people is living that very with a good passion and a good way of having their life, and also trying to mix that with the present time, what they live in, what they having an experience with the outside coming.
And I think it's about time that people realize that Indonesia, and Bali specifically, has wisdom that it could be giving to the world.
That's what I'd really like to experience. And yes, I could live here, but I wouldn't want to be a bule. And I think the bules that come here, they're interested in what they can get.
Right.
They're interested in cheap labor, in women, in a holiday. The attitude is all about what I can get. Cheap. And the cheaper, the better.
Bali can definitely make huge contributions to not only just the Western world, but the entire world.
Sekarang Bali yang harus memandang dunia itu. Dulu kan semua mata gini, ayo kita saling pandang memandang. Kalau jabatan ya jabatan.